Alright, ladies and gents, vamos a empezar. Buenos días. So, bienvenidos a la clase de español. Can't do another year like this. Can't do it. Let's try something else.
Everybody, greet somebody. Everybody, rock your Spanish right. Crash course Spanish, alright. God, we're back again. School's in session, it's time to learn, my friends. I've got some phrases here that you should know. Saca papel, let's take some notes. ¿Qué hoy? What day is today? ¿Qué tal, cómo estás? What's up, how are you? ¿Cuál es la fecha hoy? What is the day? Say, dice en español, how do you say in Spanish? Everybody, yeah. Grab somebody, yeah. Everybody, rock your Spanish right. With Crash Course Spanish, alright. To the bathroom, please. Yo entiendo means I understand. Say repeat, then I'll repeat again. Quesadilla.